going to make a volcano. And we have this awesome little volcano for 5+, but really, I think a 3-year-old can manage to do this. It's called Beaker Creatures, and it's by Learning Resources, and it is really neat. There's a lot of different creatures you can collect. Let's see if they can. And really, you have these little pods with creatures in it, and you just put them in there and you fill it with water. There are other science experiments and different volcanoes, you can make or help your child make. There's different science experiments, and there's all the creatures that you can collect. You can buy these creatures separately and use your volcano or whatever science experiment that you got that came with them. We have our instructions, and the test tubes did not come with it. We just have extra little science lab stuff, so we put water in there. Kai's got his safety glasses on and his safety science coat on, and I think we're ready to go. What do you think, Kai?
Yeah.
All right, so first up, let's open the pod.
I knew it.
Okay. Oh, sorry, my German Shepherd. Ivy, stop it. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to open this case.
That water.
Yeah. Sorry about the lighting, everyone. We need to work on that. Okay, so here is your pot. Put it inside the volcano.
And then?
Yep. And now, wait. Use your test tubes one at a time. Be careful because there's no top on it. Pour another one. I wasn't starting with. Okay, pour another one. We will show you guys. Okay, now let's try. Okay, let's show everyone. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I thought it was supposed to erupt. Let's see.
I can Tito.
Okay, so that kind of stinks. We thought it was gonna like erupt. It's not. So, oh wow, that was pretty neat. So the pod just popped up out of the little creature just popped up out of the pod. Which one did you get? But we will make a bubbling volcano with this. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Who is this little guy? Let's see. Have you seen him? I don't know. Here he is, the little guy we got. It's like a little bird. He kind of looks like a bird. I think he looks like a bird. Oh, there he is. His name's Winston. Winston. All right.
Where Mom put it out?
Is it still bubbling? No, I think that's it. Well,
Why?
let's see if we can. Okay, so we are back. We are going to try to make a volcano. Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so let's pour
Our blue one.
the blue one.
Yeah.
Okay, pour this into the middle, right here.
Oh my God.
Ivy, no. Ivy, no.
Why then?
Okay, so now you have a blue one.
Mom,
Yes, go ahead and add the little pod. And let's just a little bit. Oh, here it comes. Whoa. Whoa, there's our fizzing blue volcano. Well, it was not that big. Okay, so we are gonna have to try it again. Okay, let's see if we can add a little bit. You know, I didn't have vinegar, and I had apple cider vinegar. I don't know if that makes a difference or not. Whoa, there it goes! Oh my gosh, that was a huge explosion. Blue lava. You want to put him in there? Go ahead. This is our dog, Ivy.
you will have more in it.
There's more.
Yeah, I did though. What color changed?
The color changed. What color did it change to? Okay, we are totally gonna have to wash your hands. We should have put gloves on, huh? Ivy, no. Okay, is there anything you want to say to everybody? All right. Let's tell everybody we will see them next time. So like and subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.